Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon live trading session. All right. So, on this session, as usual, we are going to be analyzing the market together and looking for entry opportunities. All right. So, right now, I have GBP USD here, and I'm just trying to copy the figures so that I can share it with my premium members. Yes. So if you want to get this, go and fund your account. Okay. If you want to get this, go and fund your account. So let me just quickly share this with my premium members. Then we go into the business of today. All right. So just a second. All right. Guys, just a little more time. Okay. All right. So I've shared a trade there. Premium members, we have a trade. Okay. So we have this also, and I'm going to share this with my premium members also. All right. So we have this. If you are part of my premium member, we are going to take this trade together. All right. So this has already met all requirements. So let me just quickly copy the entry prices. And guys, please always apply proper risk management. Okay. Apply proper risk management is very important. And guys, I remembered during our Telegram question and answer, I said I was going to show, the newbies uh, how to open positions and how to, place trades in general on the BtcDana app. Yeah. So let me just finish with this, and then let's see if we can open our app and, do this on it. All right. All right. So almost done now. Almost done. Oh, good. So guys, just give me a little bit of minute here. So let me just quickly, do one or two. All right. So almost ready now. All right. Okay, so let's get into the business of today, guys. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can scalp this market to the upside. All right. Let's see if we can scalp this to the upside. All right. So let's go to, let's go here. Okay. So I'm currently on this trade also. I think I should share this to my premium members also. Yes. Let me see if I can still give this out. Okay. So when this comes to this area, I can give it out and we can ride it. We can both ride it to the top. All right. So guys, if you want to get these signals, go and fund your account. Okay. Go and fund your account. This thing no hard. All you have to do is fund your account, come and join the premium group. All right. In fact, everything on the premium group is free. If you fund the account, the signals that will be provided there, they are free signals. Honestly, you are not paying a dime for the signal. Okay, you're not paying a dime for the signal. So all of these are free, and I'll advise you to grab it while it lasts. All right. So the most important thing when it comes to trading is always make sure to apply risk management. Okay. Always apply proper risk management. Don't just take trades blindly. Don't just take any trade just because maybe you felt the market is going this way or that way. Don't ever trade that way. Okay. Trade according to your plan. Even though the market doesn't go as you expected, doesn't matter. Okay. Even as a professional, I can say that I get all the whole movement 100% all the time. Yeah, it's not possible for anybody to get the movement all the time. Even the people that created the market, they are not able to get the movement 100%. They can't. Nobody can. Okay, but if you can get it 60 to 80%, then you are a pro. Honestly, it doesn't matter your method, but as far as your method works, that is the most important thing. All right. If you fund up to $200 in your account using the banner on this live stream, you get the opportunity to have a one-on-one session with me. Okay. So on that session, we can discuss more about all of this. Okay. Can teach you how to scalp the market yourself. If you are interested, all you have to do is just fund the account. All right. So sorry, we are on the higher time frame. We want to scalp, so no higher time frames. Okay, so we are going to be concentrating more on lower time frames. Lower time frames for our entry level. Okay. So right now we have this market. Yes. So let's go back to the 30 minutes time frame. And here we have these. Okay. So let's go to 15 minutes. Let's see if we can buy from here. Oh, the market already made a very huge move. Okay. I think we should just look for another market, another entry. All right. Okay. So we have areas here. So let's see if this market will come back, give us an entry from here. So we took two trade on our morning live trading session, and we didn't make any profit. So we closed one in loss. The second one we closed because the market was going the other way. All right. So we had to close. Forex market is all about patterns. Okay. You just need to be able to read the patterns, and that way you'll be able to tell after your analysis. You'll be able to tell if your analysis, if you have a good entry. Okay, so that is how I'm able to predict most of these entries here. That's why you see anytime I draw a zone and say the market is going to reverse from here, the market will always reverse from such area. All right. So right now we have two entry models. Okay, I can decide to enter from here and target this area and use stop loss around here. But this is not advisable, and the reason is because we have these zones around this area. Okay, so they might push the market back down. So instead, I'll wait for the market to come back here. Okay, and not take the market from where it can be pushed down. So I'd rather take the market from this area. Whereas if the market gets pushed to the downside, I'm just going to take advantage of this zone and buy. All right. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how it plays out. 15 minutes. Okay. So we can see the reaction from here. Okay, let's go back to right. But still, I would rather wait for the market to come to this area. So if the market doesn't come down, I'm just going to leave this setup and look for another setup for my entry. So, like I've always said, you won't get 100% entry all the time. Okay. In fact, you might even get, bad weeks where you don't even get any setup, or maybe you lose a lot. All right. But the most important thing is to always have the most important thing is to always follow your pattern, always follow your rules and regulation. Create a rule for yourself. Okay, always follow it, and that is how you win from the forex market. All right. So even though you are taking my signal, please always apply proper risk management. It's very important. So that way, even though we encounter losses or we encounter loss, it doesn't affect your account too much. Okay, it doesn't affect it too much. So when we are making, so that when we are making, you won't be left hanging. You understand? Yes. So when we start making, you won't be like, me, I have blown my account, oh, and now the signal that was dropped later is now coming. So please always apply proper risk management. It's very, very important. All right, it's very, very important. Okay. So sorry about that. That was network doing its thing. So as I was saying earlier, before the network got cut off, I'm saying anytime you are taking a trade, always apply proper risk management. Okay. So it doesn't matter even if you are taking my premium signal, always apply risk management. It's very, very important. Okay. So even if a professional is still guiding you, you still need to apply risk management. That is the only way you get to make money. Okay. Everybody loses. All right. So nobody is 100% winner. It's not possible. All right. It's not possible. But the most important thing is the accumulation, how you are able to gather this money until, um, you know, until maybe ending of the week or ending of the month. So if you are able to gather a reasonable amount of money, then by month end you have enough capital, a very good amount of capital. All right. So right now I'm trying to bring up my BtcDana's app so that I can show you how to take a signal. All right. I want to show you how to properly open a trade. Because I got the request on, you know, I got the request this morning on our Telegram question and answer session. So I think it will be best to do it here and show you how it is done properly. All right. Okay. So I'm going to project my screen right now so that we can, quickly do that since we are not getting any opportunity for now. So let me quickly do that. Today is Friday. In case we have, people that wants to fund their account and they want to start, placing trades with us on Monday. All right. So let me just quickly um, project my screen. Yes. Okay, before this, sorry, let's go back to my previous screen. Let's go back to my previous screen. So anytime I say buy or sell, right? So anytime I say buy, if I have a signal, okay, let me just copy a signal here. Let me copy a signal here. Okay. So this is how our signal the premium group looks like. Let me just delete this, not necessary. Let me delete the one is also not necessary. So this is what the signal looks like. Okay. I'm doing this because of the newbies that keeps complaining about, not don't know how to open trade, don't know how to set stop loss or take profit. So this is how a signal looks like. All right. So if I say buy right now, this is AUDJPY. Okay, this chart we are on, this is AUDJPY chart. So if I say buy right now, this is what I'm talking about. Okay. So you just go into the app, buy, set this TP, set this SL. All right. So I'm going to be showing you how to set TP and SL. All right. So and if you don't know what intraday trade mean, intraday trade is a trade that is expected to run within 24 hours, within a day. All right. So even if we take it now, if it's still within 24 hours, even if it gets to tomorrow, though tomorrow is weekend, but I'm just setting an example here. Even if it runs till tomorrow, maybe around 12, it's still not up to 24 hours. All right. So that is still within the day. Okay. Then we have um, a scalping trade. So scalping trade is majorly mostly what we do here every day, morning and afternoon. Okay. So we analyze the market. We take a very short trade. So that is a trade that is expected to run for a few minutes. All right. Few minutes, not less than maybe 5 minutes, 15 minutes. All right. At most, maybe 30 minutes. Yes. So that is a scalping trade. Then we also have swing trade. So swing trade are trade that are expected to run for days, even weeks. Some even trade and hold it for hold trades for months. All right. Yes. So that is swing trade. All right. So this is what a signal looks like. I'm sure you've seen this before, where you see signal. Okay. Then you have your pair. It can be GBP, USD. It can be Euro, JPY, whatever it is. Then this can be buy or it can be sell now. All right. Then we have TPs. We have SLs. All right. So now what you're expected to do is copy this. Sorry, not this. Okay. You only copy this when this is because there's also another signal that comes this way where you see intraday trade. Yes. So you see, before here was buy now. Now it is buy limit. Okay. So we have pending order in trading, forex trading. So what pending order means is an order that is going to be executed later. Okay. So it's not going to get executed immediately. It's going to get executed later. All right. So that is what a pending order is all about. So if you have a pending order, let's say we want to buy. Okay. So you see here, I said I want this market to come to this area before I buy. Okay. So if I'm to set, I can actually set this on my BtcDana app. Okay, if I'm going to set this, then I'm going to set a pending order. Then the pending order is going to be buy limit. Okay, so if I go to pending order, I'll set a buy limit on this trade. So when the market gets to this here, it will just start buying automatically by itself. I don't need to, start going to look into it. Okay, has my market start buying? Has it start selling? All right. So I'll just set that and leave it. So when the market gets to this area, the market will start buying. So it's called pending order. Okay. And then we also have the opposite, which is the sell limit. All right. So now we'll go into the app and we are going to set a pending order for this. Then we are going to buy and sell. All right. So let's go there. Let me show you how this is done properly. Okay. Let me show you so that. All right. So please bear with me if this is very small, but this is the best I can do for now. All right. So here we have our BtcDana. Okay. So if you want to trade generally, any pair you want to trade, whatever it is that you want to trade, the first thing you need to do is go to market. Okay. Click on markets. So if you click on market, you see it's going to bring you to where you can find your assets, the instruments you want to trade. Even if you don't have them here, you can always use this search bar. Okay, this search area. So if you click on it, you see, I can search for, let's say, AUD AUDCHF. Okay, so when I typed AUD, you see it brought out all the whole AUD's currency associated. Okay, so let's say we want to trade AUDCHF. You see, when I clicked on it, what happened? It brought me to the AUDCHF chart. So now that I'm on this AUDCHF, or let's say, let's go back. Let's go back. I wanted to make analysis. Okay, I want to set a buy limit on AUDJPY. So we have AUDJPY here. So I can just decide, okay, I want to buy. So if I want to buy right now, I can just click on buy. All right. This is my lot sizes. Okay, these are volumes. So this volume basically is the amount you want to use to place the trade. Okay, so for example, let's say you want to buy a pen now, and the pen costs 15 naira. So if you are buying one, that means you are spending 15 naira. Okay, but if you are buying five, that means you are spending 250. So look at the difference, 15 naira to 250. Okay, so right now you can decide to buy the smallest amount, so which is 0.01. Okay, so as it's moving, it's going to be calculating in 0.01 for you. All right. So now, if I want to buy here, we have two options to set SL and TP. So you can set your SL and TP here. You can just enter your figures here. Okay, what is my SL? You can just enter it. If you have it, just copy and paste. All right. If you have your stop loss or your TP, just paste it here. Okay, so I have my stop loss. So let's say I have my TP here. Then I can just click on buy. So you see when I clicked on buy, it says order successful, and I can check my order. All right, you see, this is my order. It's running right now. This is dollar reading. Okay, so when it's in green right now, then that means I'm making profit. All right, so that is how to buy. And you can also sell if you want to sell. Okay, it's the same process. So we bought the other time. So let's say we want to buy now. Okay, we bought. Let's say we want to sell. You just click on the sell, set your volume. Okay, and as a beginner, if you have less than $50, I'll always advise you to use 0.01. Please, guys, this is very important. Okay, this is very important. Always use 0.01 if you have less than $50. Now look at this. So now we have this. We have okay, so let's click on let's go set TP and SL the other way. All right. So here I'm not going to enter my stop loss or my take profit. I'm going to show you the other place where you can set it. So now I have my order successful. Then if I want to set, this is our first order. This is our second order. This is the one we just placed. So if I want to set my TP here manually, automatically, I can just come here. So you see, I clicked on it. It opened this, expanded this option for me. You see here we have take profit slash stop loss. So you see we have this pencil icon for editing in front of it. Just click on it. So when I clicked on it, it brought out these options for me. You see here it says change take profit and stop loss. All right. So now set take profit. I can set my take profit by choosing any of these amounts. Okay. So these are in dollars. This is 0.9 cent. This is this is $1.7, $3.0, $5.0, then $8.0. So let's say I want the trade when it gets to $3, you should give me my profit. Okay, then how much am I risking? What if I'm going to lose? How much do I want to lose? Okay, I don't want to lose more than $1.7 if I'm going to lose. So I can just click on the confirm, and you see take profit and SL changed successfully. Guys, you see how easy it is, yes? So you see here I'm making profit right now. Okay, I'm making profit already. So guys, that is it. All right. Then we also have pending orders. All right. So let's use any of these and set pending order. It doesn't matter. You can set this on any trade on any market. So let's say this is crypto asset BNB USDT. Okay, this is Binance coin against the United States data. So let's say we want to set a sell limit around this area, a buy limit around this area. So when this market comes to this area, we are predicting a buy around here. So when this market gets to this area, it's going to start buying. Okay. So what is the number here? The first thing you need to do is, if you are doing this yourself, you need to write down the numbers. Okay. The numbers are very important because those are the numbers you're going to be using for your stop loss and your take profit. So they are going to be the numbers you are going to be using for your entry level also. Okay. So now let's say this is where you want the market to trigger from here. Okay. So when this come down, it's going to buy from here. So you can just write these figures down, these digits down. This is 248.90. Okay. So if the market is going to go up from here, what if it doesn't go up and then drop down? What will happen? You will lose money. Yes. Okay. So let's say maybe I'm saying, okay, if it doesn't go up from here and go down to this level, okay, that means it's not going to go up again. Just close the trade for me, and I don't want to lose more. All right. So I can just say SL, then copy this number. Okay, just write it out. 245.51. Okay. Then what if I'm making profit? What if the market comes here and then it started moving to the upside? All right. So when it gets to this area, I want it to give me my profit. So that means I've made a good amount of money. So when it gets to this area, give me my profit. All right. So that area, you can now write that out also. So that is 259.05. All right. So now, now you can now click on buy because we want to set a buy limit here. So you can click on buy. All right. So if you click on buy, so now the other time when we wanted to set our buy order, we clicked on buy. All we did here was set our stop loss and our take profit. Yeah. So now we are not going to click on buy. Okay. You see here we have position, we have pending order. All right. So here we are going to click on pending order. So when I clicked on pending order, you see it brought an extra option for me, and the extra option is enter price. Okay, so what this means is to enter the price where you want the market to trigger from, and the price that we've written out is 248 0.90. Yes. Then we have our stop loss and our take profit also. Okay, so our stop loss is 245.51. Then our take profit is 259.05. So if I click on buy, you see it says pending order valid successfully. So I can click on check order. Then it's going to take me to my order. So here you see it says pending order. So my order is pending. When it gets to that price, it's going to start buying. Okay. So if it doesn't get there and the market just continue to go up, I can come back here and click on this. So if I click on this arrow, you see it says, are you sure you want to cancel? I can click on confirm and then it's going to cancel. Okay. So that is how to set a pending order. All right. If you want to set a pending order for a sale, you just click on the sale. All right. Enter those prices. Do what you want to do. It's just as easy as that. All right. So guys, I hope you understand. Okay. So I didn't want us to take much of the time. Oh boy. You see what happened? The market just came back in here and then started buying immediately. Yes. Guys, go and fund the account with $200. Come and learn my strategy. You see, I marked out this area. I said, if this market come back here, it's going to start buying. Look what happened. When the market gets here, the market just started buying immediately, starts buying immediately. So I wish we took this, but we didn't get the chance. Okay, we didn't get the chance, but because we were busy explaining other stuffs. All right. But no worries. The other stuff that we were explaining is quite important also. Okay, it's very important, most especially for the newbies. Okay, so if you are new here, I hope you now know how to open positions on the BtcDana app. You know how to open trade. You know how to set your take profit and your stop loss. All right. So let's look for another entry opportunity. Okay, let's look for another opportunity since that didn't, work well as we've thought initially. Okay. So let's look for another opportunity here. All right, guys, go to CADCHF. All right, CADCHF. Let's see if we can buy this. Okay, CADCHF. Let's buy. All right, buy CADCHF. So place your buy. When the market gets to this area, we are going to close. And guys, please be careful. Today is Friday. All right. Today is Friday. The market tends to always misbehave when the market is getting to, weekends. All right. That is why if you don't trade from morning to afternoon, forget about trading in the evening. So you see, the market is making it move. We got a sharp entry, guys. Okay, we got a very sharp entry. So when the market gets to this area, let me just mark it out. We are going to close the trade. We are going to TP. So the market is already going our way. Let's just give that a little bit of time. All right. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Had a little bit of problem. I needed to rushly attend to. Okay, I'm very sorry. Couldn't keep up. Keep an eye on our trade. Okay, but the trade went into loss. All right. So sorry I wasn't here to give updates. All right. I'm so sorry about that. Let's look for another one. Okay. Let's look for another one. I didn't know it was going to, be this fast. Right. So let's look for another entry. Let's look for another one. Let's go to lower time frame. So let's see if this is going to close above. If it doesn't close above, then we look for another setup. Okay. So the candle still hasn't closed yet. Okay, it closed below on the 3 minute. Now it invalidated our setup. So let's just move on. So now once we get a setup that is not valid, we're just gonna leave the setup, look for another one. All right. Okay. All right. Let's look for another entry, trade entry. So okay. This is the 15 minutes time frame. All right. I want to give this to everybody, but this is going to take a lot. So my people on the premium, you can secure your profit on GBP USD. Okay, we are making hell of a profit there. Let me just quickly tell them to secure their profit there. Okay, it's very important. Come and join our premium group. You say no. Come and join us. Let's make money together. All right. If you are not on my premium, if you are not in my premium group, you are missing out, honestly. If you are not there, you are seriously missing out. Come and join us there. Come and make real money. All right. Okay, so let's quickly look for more entries before our time elapses. Okay. So the markets are moving. Markets are moving. Okay. So this is a consolidating market. I hate consolidating markets. All right. So as I've said earlier, today is Friday, and we want to be very careful with our entries. It's very important, you don't trade anyhow, you don't overtrade. Very important. This signal was sent to the premium group yesterday. You see, Euro NZD. The market hit TP. All right. So if you're on my premium group, I dropped this signal yesterday. Euro NZD buy from here. Okay, we bought from here. I'm going to share my screenshot. Okay, I'm going to share it to the premium group. We bought from there, and the market went our way. Let's go to the 5 minutes. So one thing with trading is sometimes you not get 100% entries. All right. Sometimes you not even get entry at all. But no worries. Even though you are not getting an entry, don't force trade. It's very important not to force trade so that you don't miscalculate and take the wrong entry. So that is why it is very important that even if you are not getting an entry, just stick to your plan. All right, always stick to your plan. Your plan is going to work out as far as it's a good plan. Right? So here we have this. Okay. Okay. So, guys, we are not able to get an entry on the lower time frame. So I'm just going to give you, um, like a 9 minute trade. Okay. So you guys, we are going to place this trade. And when it gets here, you can close your positions. All right. So this is going to be like, a little intraday trade to make up for the losses that we've encountered today. This has been consolidating also. Okay. Let me make proper confirmations here. So we have a breakout here. Okay. So, guys, please sell GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Sell. I'm going to copy out the take profit and the stop loss. Okay. So I'm going to write that out. This is a premium signal. So the TP and the stop loss, I'm going to write it out. And it's an intraday trade that is going to run for some times. All right. So with this, even with 0.01, at least you should be able to make back everything that you've lost today, hopefully. Okay. Okay. So just do it the way I did when we started um, this session. All right. So just copy these numbers on the TP. Go to GBP AUD. If you are a newbie, this is for you. Go to GBP AUD. Click on sell. So when you sell, you see that area where it says SL/TP. Click on the button in front of it. Okay, so when you click on it, enter these numbers. So for TP, enter this. For SL, enter this. So when you enter them, then click on sell. Right. So please set this so that I can end our session for today. And we'll see again on Monday, and hopefully we'll get better trade entries. All right. So overall, the week was good, but you know, Friday was rough. Yes, because we couldn't get a proper setup. Morning trade, we I think we lost one trade. The other one we had to close when the market came back to our entry level. Yes, and this afternoon our first trade went into loss. Right. So just take this, set it, and enjoy the profit. Okay. So I'm just going to give you guys 1 more minute, and then I'm going to end this session. Okay. Just a minute more. So when it is 3:05, I'm going to end this session. I'm just waiting for you to set this stop loss and the take profit. Right? Set it for this trade. All right. So it's 3:05, guys, and come to the end of the session for today, for this week in general, because our session is Mondays to Fridays. All right. So we are going to weekend right now. Come back on Monday, come and make profit. Come to this live stream, come and take free signals. All right. Over the weekend, you can join our premium group if you have the money. Go and join. $10 for 2 weeks, $15 for 1 month, $200 for 1 month, and also you also get the privilege of having a one-on-one session with me. All right. So I'll see you all on Monday. Enjoy your weekend and bye for now.